The Sneezing Mouse. Written by Fiona Lay. Illustrated by Layla Quinn. The cat is sleeping. Here is the plan. First, we will take some cheese. Next, we will get some ham.
Don't forget to grab some chicken.
We will have to do it quickly and silently. Let's go!
What is it?
The cat is waking up. Run!
Activity 1.
Bubble boom! Wow! There are so many colorful bubbles. Tap on these bubbles.
Ham, cheese, cat, chicken, ham, cheese, cat, ham, cheese, cat, ham, cheese, chicken, cheese, ham, cat, chicken, ham, cheese, cat.
Activity 2. Drop the right word to the machine to complete the sentence.
The cat is sleeping. They will take some cheese. The cat is waking up.
Well done.
Activity 3. Diamond Seeker. Wow! There are many diamonds inside the stone. Choose the correct sentence to collect the diamonds.
They will also grab some chicken. They will also grab some pizza. They will have to do it slowly and loudly. They will have to do it quickly and silently. They will get some ham. They will take some milk.
Activity 4.
Let's retell this story in your own words.
Good job!